Everybody stay where you are. Chill the F out. I'm gonna ask you this one time. Where is Gamora?
Yeah, I'll do you one better. Who's Gamora?
I'll do you one better. Why is Gamora?
Tell me where the girl is, or I swear to you, I'm gonna French fry this little freak.
Let's do it. You shoot my guy and I'll blast him. Let's go.
Do it, Quill. I can take it.
No, he can't take it.
She's right, you can't.
Oh yeah? You don't want to tell me where she is? That's fine. I'll kill all three of you and I'll beat it out of Thanos myself. Starting with you.
Wait, what? Daniel? All right, let me ask you this one time. What master do you serve?
What master do I serve? What am I supposed to say, Jesus?
You're from Earth.
I'm not from Earth, I'm from Missouri.
Yeah, that's on Earth, dipshit. What are you hassling us for?
So you're not with Thanos?
With Thanos? No. I'm here to kill Thanos. He took my girl. Wait, who are you?
We're the Avengers, man.
Need a cool background for your photography? Here's how to make a big tree installation like this in your room for pretty cheap. You buy a roll of butcher paper like this off Amazon, and to make the trunk, you just twist it. Twist them looser for the trunk and tighter for the branches. You're just gonna staple them to the wall. Ask your parents first, but staples are great because they leave the tiniest holes. Next, you're gonna order fake wisteria like this off of Amazon. You can get it in bunches of all different colors and sizes. To secure them to the tree, you just slide them underneath the paper branches. Because they have the long stick, they stay pretty well. If you wanna do individual pieces like this, ask your parents to help you use a hot glue gun. And voila, you've got this show-stopping tree to take your photos in front of. Follow for more photography tutorials or message me with questions.
Thank you for liking my waterfall. I enjoy every day. And here is the material that you will need for this DIY project. I actually reuse my closet mirror door. You can buy used one on Facebook Marketplace or new one. Make sure they are waterproof on the back. And something to hold water. Make sure they're a little bit bigger than your mirror. And water pump. All the pipe plumbing I order online and pick up in store at Home Depot. And be creative with your decoration, guys. And Hobby Lobby have 50% off everything on greenery. And you will need a power tool, hot glue gun. Enjoy and follow for more. Hello, thank you so much for liking my water fountain. I didn't think about making tutorial, but let me try my best. I have made the video of all material that you need, so please check it out. And this is how I look like on the top. I have a small hole across the pie, and I have a pie go all the way down to the base. At the base, I have a foam wide pieces at the front and at the back to hold the mirror stand in the middle. And this is the water pump. Make sure your water pump is strong enough to support the height of your mirror. Mine can go up to 11 feet, so it will bring the water all the way up and drop the water through the hole that you drew. This is how it look like. This is how it look like without decoration. And I'm using a smart plug to control my power using my phone. I turn it up when I leave the house. And the dry spot, you can see when you just turn it on, it will be there some dry spot, but it will cover up in a couple of minutes. But you can use your hand to smooth it out real quick. Yes, I hope it's help, and tag me if you make one. I would like to see it. And enjoy and follow for more. I'm making another project, and I would like to share that with you guys as well. Yeah, enjoy and try it outside first and make sure you like it. Make sure there are no water flashing outside of your container. And then you're good to go to bring it inside the house and enjoy it.
Alright, so you're wanting to dry some flowers so that they stay beautiful and colorful so that one day you can be absolutely insane like me. You came to the right place. Okay, so the biggest problems that I see people running into is that they leave them in water for too long, or honestly, this is like the hard truth. If you want your flowers to dry beautifully, don't leave them in water for longer than 24 hours. Take them out immediately while they're still like really fresh and like crunchy, crispy. Like, I don't know how to describe that. They need to be crunchy. Okay, the first thing you need to do is rearrange them. Arrange them so that the most delicate, most beautiful flowers are towards the front of the bouquet, and the back has more of the greenery so that this side can go against the wall when you hang them like this. When we see flowers in a vase, we're seeing the front of them, but you need to remember that on a wall, you're seeing this. And so all of this green, we're gonna wanna take some of these beautiful pinks and put them here so that you can kind of see a front-facing bouquet. I don't care if you've never arranged flowers in your life and you're like, I don't know how to do this. It is quite literally very intuitive, and inner child care, like, this is so fun. This is so fun. You can do it, I promise. Okay, so I'm liking how that looks. You can always test how it looks by flipping it upside down. And then you probably don't have these guys. If you do, great. If not, ruin some scissors, cut it shorter. Do one last check of the front, and this is what the back looks like. And then you're gonna put your elastic on to hold it all together. Okay, and the next most important part is to find somewhere dark and cool to hang these upside down for about 2 weeks while they dry. That's for the best color retention. You don't want them in the sunlight. You want to literally like freeze them in time by putting them somewhere dark. So say goodbye, but know that you get to keep them forever because you're making this sacrifice now. Floral is one of my favorite mediums to work with in my photography business. Go to part 4 to see some of the work I've done with flowers.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures. Pipes on my ass, so he call his pussy figure. Fucking.
And he said there's pink black girls, not area code. These black girls need to be in the shows. Be on the runways, not just mood boards. On top of that, I wanna see when your team. Look at your crown, naturalized to the Jericho. One time soft and sheen, where black girl magic is sometimes blue. My broke her head.